automatic weather station. So in this weather station we are covering wind parameters and temperature parameters and humidity parameter and then rain gauge parameters. So this parameters are widely useful in the climatic changes and weather changes, which will be widely useful for the erosion creation and any designing of arbors or breakwaters or groins. So for any coastal structures, these parameters are mandatory. So we are collecting weather parameters, everything using this automatic weather station. So on the top we have a wind sensor, so which collects wind speed and direction. So it is actually advanced sensor using ultrasonic waves. So there will be 4 transducers which emits ultrasonic waves frequently. In which direction the wind is passing on, automatically the race brakes, and in what velocity the wind passing and in what direction it passing, it will be automatically records and it will be transmitted through this data logger. So this is the purpose of the wind sensor. And then here we have a temperature and humidity sensor, in which it records temperature of current temperature and then humidity of this area. And then also this wind and then a temperature sensor parameters will be recorded frequently through a data logger, which will be enclosed in this enclosure box. So it will be powered up with a 12 volt battery, which will be connected with this solar panel. So for 24/7 for whole day, and whole month and whole year also, we no need to change of battery. This is the our automatic weather station. So now we move on to the data logger for what are the parameters are collected in this data logger. Let's see this. This is the data logger enclosure box, so which stores all wind data, rain, air and temperature data and rain gauge data. So this is the key for locking and unlocking. So so this is our data logger. So it works with internal 12 volt battery. So this battery will frequently charged by the solar panel. So it will be at the top. So we have installed facing the sun. So continuously it will provide power supply to this data logger. So this is a basic touchscreen display. So this can be handled with a pen or any soft touch materials. So here we can see the parameters which are collecting in the data loggers: temperature, humidity, wind direction, wind speed and rain and total rain. So these are the parameters. It will be automatically stored. So here in rain, as I said before, 0.2 for each tip, 0.2 as frequently it have recorded what I have tipped. So this is the display of the data logger. So now we are going to see how we are going to retrieve the data from this data logger. So here we have a USB port and here we have COM port. So in both methods, using computer or USB also we can retrieve the data. So but most common ways is easiest way is USB collecting using a pen drive, because we can't for each and every area we can't handle laptops and all. So now we are going to see how we are retrieving data from this data logger using the pen drive. So I am now plugging in the pen drive in this port. So it's basically a Windows XP software OS mechanism. So I am just going for the data where it's this data are collected, data file where its data are storing. So I am going to start programs and there will be a Windows Explorer. So here we can see the files available in this data logger. So this hard disk is our USB drive, and this NAND flash is the internal storage where our data are recording. So I am going to this NAND flash. Just double click enough, like in every PC and everything. And here there will be a DA9000. So these are the default folders where the data will be stored. So here Archivo, another one folder, Archivo. So here you can see a file named 6. So in this 6 only we will have each and every data. Just click on this 6 and edit, and I am copying it. So I am now copied the data file. Now again I am goes back to the pen drive. just I'm clicking on back. So here the hard disk, I'm just clicking on it. So here again edit and paste. Now the data is copying. So it will take less than a minute or 2 minutes depending upon the number of data available in the storage. Data is stored in our pen drive. So I'm just giving back and then close this window. Now again we have back to our parameters display window. So now we can just take out pen drive. So this is all about of data retrieving from a AWS data logger. This is rain gauge, which collects the rain data and transfers to data to the data logger. So this is a tipping bucket method type. So here we have 2 tips. So each tip will be recorded as 0.2 mm, 0.2 mm in the data logger. So when a rain drop falls in this hole, the water will flows through this. Suppose it will flows to this. The automatically this tip will be activated. Suppose after some time, if rain drop falls and suppose it tips through this funnel, means automatically this tip will be sensed. So for each tip there will be 0.2 mm will be recorded in the data logger. This is the procedure of the rain data recording in the bucket type rain gauge.